Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. I just wanted to post something today. It's been a while since I've posted a unboxing video, but this is basically the Razer Core X Chroma, which is a step up from the original Razer Core X. And really the only difference between this product and the old product is that this one carries a 700 watt power supply, PSU, and it has, unlike the old one, several more I/O ports. So you get 4 USB. You have obviously the one USB, the Thunderbolt 3 port, a LAN cable input, and that's really it. The old Chroma X, sorry, my apologies. The old Razer Core X had a original, I believe, power supply of 650, and this one actually has a 700 watt power supply. And so in the box, this is literally the box that it came in, and this is, I just took it out for you guys, and here is what's in the box. It's basically the instructions, the power cord here, and the very short Thunderbolt 3 cord, and you get stickers as well. Okay, so I'm gonna set this up and I'll probably show you guys what it looks like. The one thing to note that it's actually pretty heavy. When I was taking this out of the box, out of its packaging, it's actually a lot heavier than the Node Pro, the Akidio Node Pro that I have here. So that's one thing that you should sort of, if you feel like, if you think that you're going to be traveling a lot, and this is a portable device, but it's actually a lot heavier than the Akidio Node Pro, for example. Okay, well anyways, check out my next video when I actually do a review of this product. But this actually, in Canadian dollars, it comes out to be $550, and the older version was, I believe, $400, so it was a $150 increase. Okay, well anyway, thanks for stopping by, and talk to you next time.